What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a single family property, Canton, Ohio, on the southeast end. Just out looking at deals, man. We're out looking at deals every single day. Just wanted to remind everybody in the Canton area, we're always looking to buy houses in any condition. As you can see, this property definitely gonna need some work, but we'll buy them in any condition and we'll make you a fair offer. So whether you're going through a situation, foreclosure, behind on payments, behind on taxes, we're always looking to help people. So if there's something that you or somebody you know might need help with, visit our website, www.investparamount.com, or contact me directly. Ask for Tony, 330-685-2220.